delivered to the site, pouring out that material before that concrete would set inside of the bucket. So the two highest paying jobs that they had back then were the crane operators moving around the concrete and the shovel operators working in here to get all of that rock out. They made $1.25 an hour. The dam itself would be poured in just under 2 years. They say one bucket load every 78 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week was being moved around and delivered. The dam itself, with it standing over 726 feet high, is not reinforced together. It's made up of all these individual blocks so that the dam can flex and move in place when it is putting up with all the pressure of the water or even seismic activity. The dam itself weighs 6.6 million tons. That's a lot of weight. It's a lot of concrete. If you think about it, it's about 84, 85 years old. They have taken core samples out of it and determined that down in the deeper sections, it's not fully dried out. It is still chemically moist, still curing. The reservoir is a very big reservoir. It stretches over 110 miles long. It can hold a lot of water. When you look out there today, it is easily 400 feet deep out there. The water, which we use to create the power, would start being filled up in this reservoir in 1935, and it would take 6 full years to complete. The water moves through these towers, moves through pipes down to those generators, which you see here. And this is where we're going to be going next, okay? When you look out this window, you see this massive pipe resting down in this tunnel, okay? The use of these tunnels these days, the outer ones are for the spillways, and I'll talk about those in a second. The inner ones are holding these big pipes here. This is the one pipe that is actually connected to one of those intake towers. It feeds that water down through it, down to those machines. And as the pipes get closer to the generators, the pipes actually get smaller. This one, at 30 feet in diameter, can hold up to 96,000 gallons per second in it, moving in that direction at about 36 miles per hour, which is exciting. Okay, so it can be very noisy down here. The two spillways, they connected to those diversion tunnels by way of a 600-foot-long shaft that you can see on this diagram here. The spillways are designed to move water around the dam when the lake gets high, like what you see in this photograph. That's only occurred in the last 84 years 2 times, 1941 and 1983, and that is it, okay? You guys ready? Any questions? Okay. Let's